Thanks for tuning in. We've got a box, obviously a watch box. And if I'm correct in assuming this is a brand new watch from Pagani Design that I had to order. Mainly because if it is the one that I'm thinking it is, it's got a small second hand, which is my Achilles heel. I seem to gravitate towards watches with small sub-seconds. So let's just double check that it is what it is. And we've got movement, so I don't have to send it back. And it's on a strap. Oh, look at that. It's on a nice strap. Okay, so black dial. That's gorgeous. Wait a minute. Why do we have a second hand? Well, this is the, I can't see, PD-1790, brand new for 2024. New original design. Look at that crown at the 4 o'clock. Okay, so I'm going to put this down, and we're going to do a little bit more of an in-depth dive when we return. Well, life has a funny way of happening, as my wife keeps saying. Some people will use another word from life, but yeah. So a few weeks have gone by since this arrived, and I've finally gotten around to compiling some information, wearing it for a week, and I really like it. I got the black, as you notice, got the black with the silver, but the funny thing is, depending on the time of day and the angle that you look at it, even though like all the applied indices and the hands and everything is silver, it has a gold tone to it. I don't know if it's because of the alloy that they're using or the material, or maybe there's some type of plating, but it's really, really nice. It fools the eye. And I also like the seconds are in the bezel, the fixed bezel. So it's a PD-1790. It's complete stainless steel. We've got a sapphire, synthetic sapphire dial, or not dial, but crystal. The movement is a BY9020. I've looked high and low, and I can't find any information on it at all. Even the movement geeks don't even have any info at all. I'm guessing it's an in-house movement by Benyar or Jianju or another one of the Chinese. The case diameter is 42, and you'll notice on the wrist rolls at the end of the video that it wears very, very well on my 7-inch wrist. We've got a thickness of 12 millimeters. We've got a push-pull crown at the 4 o'clock position. The Lug To Lug is 48 millimeters. So again, very, very comfortable wearing size. And the lug width is 22, so very easy for strap swaps, and you'll see that in the wrist rolls that I've done a number of strap swaps. The weight is a very, very comfortable and very light 73.7 grams. Now we've also got a display case back with a signed dark gray rotor, very, very attractive, and true to Pagani Design's finishing quality, this is no different and no less than excellent. There is no loom, so there won't be a loom shot. But the big question mark that everybody's wondering is, why do we have two second hands? We've got a sub-second hand, and we've got a full-size second hand. I would have liked to seen that full size disappear and just leave the sub-second to make it a little bit more attractive. But at the same time, it's a design choice that is original and unique. Again, comment below if you've seen another watch with two second hands like this, because I haven't, and I've looked, but my resources aren't the same as maybe some of you who have been into this game a lot longer than I have. So In the description below is a link to where I bought it. I bought it from the Benyar Watch store on AliExpress. You can also buy it directly from Pagani Design, and I'll leave an affiliate link below. Doesn't cost you anything extra. You'll still get it at a great price, but I get a couple of cents as a finder's fee, so to speak. I may not be selling this. I haven't really decided yet, but if I do, I'll list it in my eBay store, which is also in a link in the description below, as well as the strap store that I buy most of my straps from. So there you have it. Short and sweet. There's really not much else to say about that, other than if you want something very unique and a conversation starter too, because, you know, most people will look at it and go, hey, nice watch, and then they'll realize, hey, well, what's with the 2 second hands? So there you go. Add to your collection and have some fun as I try and fiddle with this. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.